the state ensure the quality, reliability, security, and affordability of our electricity. That is why in 1998, the first wind farm in Southeast Asia was established through the efforts of our then governor, now the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. And today, with the support of our dear Senator Honorable Amy Romualdez Marcos and the whole province of Ilocos Norte through our good and humble governor, very hardworking governor, Honorable Matthew Marcos Manotoc. On this site, again, the first in the province of Ilocos Norte and in the Philippines, the first embedded project, solar project, will be established. And hopefully, with the establishment of this 29.95 megawatt solar embedded project, the cost of electricity will be lower not only in Nueva Ecija, but to the whole province of Ilocos Norte. And of course, there will be taxes paid to the province, to the municipality, and to the host barangay. And part of it, hopefully, will go to these students, the Special Educational Fund, in order to support the dream of this municipality for a one professional per family. Thank you, INEC, Ilocos Norte Electric Cooperative, through the leadership of the Acting General Manager, Mr. Perry Martinez, and the members of the board who approved, headed of course by Attorney Nick Malasig, who approved the power supply agreement between Ilocos Norte Electric Cooperative and One Ilocos Norte Energy Corporation. For purging this agreement, hopefully, again, the people of Ilocos Norte will directly, especially the consumers of the distribution utility, Ilocos Norte Electric Cooperative, will benefit from this. With that, on behalf of the people of Nueva Ecija, Sangguniang Bayan members, municipal officials, barangay officials, and especially our students and IP members, are one in welcoming this group, this integration of Asia and Europe for the establishment of this project. To all of you, welcome, welcome, and God bless all of us.